Dear learners, welcome to Code Your Electronics. Today, we are here with brainstorming practice set for you. Till now, we have learnt enough coding to create some amazing, funny effects with Ironman. So, it is the time to check how much you have really learned. Challenge 1. What does analog read A6 return? Option A, high or low. Option B, a number between 0 to 1023. Option C, nothing. Correct answer is option B, a number between 0 and 1023. Challenge 2, secret combo mode. What does this mean if button is equal to high and sensor is equal to low? Option A, button pressed or sensor sees something. Option B, button pressed and sensor sees nothing. Option C, sensor off. Correct answer is option B, button pressed and sensor sees nothing. Challenge 3 is blast sequence. Which pin is used for Ironman's laser in most examples? Option A, pin D7. Option B, pin A0. Option C, pin D4. Correct answer is option C, pin D4. Challenge 4 is smart reactor. How can you turn on both the laser and eyes? Option A, digital write D4 high, digital write D7 high. Option B, digital read D4, digital read D7. Option C, pin mode D4 input. Correct answer is option A, digital write D4 high, digital write D7 high. Challenge 5 is reaction after removing delays. What happens if you remove all delays from your code? Option A, it runs faster, but may blink too quickly. Option B, lights won't turn on. Option C, it won't compile. Correct answer is option A, it runs faster, but may blink too quickly. Hope you enjoyed this quiz. Keep watching and keep learning. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.